Do you know why Panchmukhi Hanuman is so powerful? The story of Panchmukhi Hanuman goes like this. Ahiravan was a powerful Rakshas and the ruler of the Patalok. He was a master of dark magic and illusion. According to the Krittivas Ramayan, when Ravan's son Indrajit was killed, Ravan was crestfallen and slowly started to realize that he was losing the battle. Ravan then summoned his brother Ahiravan for help.
Ahiravan had initially decided not to be a part of the war against Lord Ram. He was a devotee of goddess Mahamaya and often sacrificed humans to her to gain more power in the process. Ravan convinced him that if he is able to capture Ram and Lakshman and sacrifice them to the goddess, she would be very happy. Vibhishan, well acquainted with the ways of Ahiravan, came to know about their plan and warned Ram about it. With his tail, Lord Hanuman created a shield around the cottage where Ram and Lakshman were sleeping to ensure that no one is able to breach the barricade to reach the brothers. Ahiravan tried to breach the shield in various disguises, but Hanuman foiled his every attempt. Finally, Ahiravan took the form of Vibhishan and Hanuman let him enter. Ahiravan quickly entered and took the sleeping Ram and Lakshman away.
It is said that Patal Lok has the world of reverse flow. It is a world where all the rules of nature are completely opposite to what we have in our world. Life progresses more slowly over there. Old men emerge from their funeral pyres and slowly become younger and younger until they are mere infants. Fire, instead of burning things, is used to cool things down over there. Water flows upwards instead of moving downwards in Patal Lok. Gravity is repulsive instead of attractive. The progress of time is backward over there, and it is much faster than our time on earth. Vibhishan tells all these facts about the place to Hanuman. Hanuman, with a lot of grit and determination, then decided to travel to Patal Lok to free Ram and Lakshman.
Hanuman fought against everyone and finally reached Ahiravan's palace, where he met a half-monkey, half-reptile, Makardhwaj, the guardian of the palace. Makardhwaj tried to stop him. When Hanuman asked for his introduction, Makardhwaj introduced him as the mighty son of Hanuman. Puzzled at this, Hanuman, who had been a celibate all his life, decided to meditate on the origin of Makardhwaj. Hanuman realized that when he had taken a dip in the ocean after burning the whole of Lanka with the fire on his tail, a drop of his Virya fell in ocean and into the mouth of a large crocodile. Later, when the people of Patal Lok captured the crocodile, they found Makardhwaj inside. Makardhwaj told Hanuman that he would have to fight him first before entering the palace. Hanuman agreed, and after defeating Makardhwaj, he entered Patal.
Upon entering Ahiravan's palace, Hanuman found a Panch Pradeep or a 5-wick candle. Chandrasena, the wife of Ahiravan, told Hanuman that the only way to kill Ahiravan was to extinguish this Panch Pradeep facing 5 different directions at the same time. For doing this, Hanuman assumed the form of Panchmukhi Hanuman. The 5 faces of this form of Lord Hanuman are Varha, Garud, Narsimha and Hayagriva. Hanuman faces the east, Varha faces the south, Garud faces the west, Narsimha faces the north and Hayagriva faces upwards. Hanuman then extinguished the Panch Pradeep with a single breath and rescued Ram and Lakshman out from Patal Lok. Hope you enjoyed the story. Please follow for more such stories.